आप देख रहे हैं रोशन पाकिस्तान न्यूज।
Assalamu alaikum and good morning to good afternoon also, because I can imagine that the day was started with good morning and ultimately with such a jubilant, committed, very well devoted, my dear future generations standing in front of me. I'm proud of you to be here. Sister, we were discussing in detail that this is not an institution where I am standing. I always take it as a pride that whatever contribution and services your Dominican institution and visionary leadership across the country, I'm here to recognize those services. I'm here to own and support that vision, and I'm here to really channelize the vision of all the future of Pakistan to certain roadmaps, and that roadmap is starting from the creation of Pakistan towards the building of new Pakistan, and I am proud that I am standing among the future leaders of Pakistan. I can foresee so many young, dynamic future leaders standing in front of me. Many of them, inshallah, will be future doctors in front of me. Many of them, inshallah, will be future doctors, engineers, scientists, and politicians also, because Pakistan needs a positive change. And when I go back 30 years back to my student life, and I can really analyze and see that at that time what motivation we were carrying. We were, as a student, as resident of the city of Allama Iqbal, there were heavy and very well defined dreams in our eyes, and we used to foresee enlightened, moderate, progressive Pakistan in front of us.